Hey everybody, it's Mr. Chris from the Hudson Area Public Library doing some STEM experiments for you. So please like or subscribe our YouTube channel so we know that you're getting the videos and you're enjoying them. So today we're working with our good old friends balloons again. So hopefully you all know when you blow up a balloon and let it go, it's going to go all different crazy directions. And we want to harness that power for our own uses. So today we are going to make what I call balloon sleds. So what we have here is just hopefully the supplies you have at your house. So we're using a piece of yarn tied between two chairs. So hopefully you got some chairs at your house, dining room chairs or whatnot you can use. And then we've got a straw with a binder clip. And the binder clip is clipped to the balloon that's going to provide us our thrust. So different from the balloon going all over the place when you let a regular balloon go. With the binder clip and the straw, they're keeping it attached. So hopefully when we release the thrust from the balloon, it's going to push it along this piece of yarn. So we'll get this going here. And there you have it. So again, a simple device. And if I can get it off here, so yeah, we just had slit on the arms of the chair so you can see that there. So just a binder clip around the straw and kind of clip to the edge of the balloon. So the only problems that happen now if you're testing these, if you blow the balloon up too big, it'll pull away from the binder clip and kind of pull off that. So you want to blow it up kind of like I was doing, but not too big or it'll pull away from the clip or you might lose the balloon. So hopefully you can have some fun experimenting with that. You can do different lengths of it. We just did one to fit in this room here, but I've seen people doing crazy long, going across like the whole house or the whole living room and whatnot. And hopefully it's a fun little experiment you can do. So again, like or subscribe to our videos, and we'll catch you again soon with some more STEM. Thanks.